Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing both devices. Power on your Beats Solo 3 into pairing mode by holding the power button until the LED blinks. This signals discoverable status. On your Android, go to Settings and enable Bluetooth and location so scanning works. Keep the Bluetooth screen open. Once done, delete any old Beats entries in paired devices to avoid connection conflicts, because a fresh pairing prevents wrong profiles from reattaching and saves you time when your phone scans. Now you'll pair. In Bluetooth scan results, tap the listing labeled Beats Solo 3. You might see a model number instead, so pick the closest match. If Android prompts for a PIN or confirmation, accept or enter 0000 rare. Allow the phone to complete the connection handshake. You'll see connected or an icon indicating audio profile. Once connected, play a short clip to verify media, audio, and microphone routing. If media won't play, switch the Bluetooth profile to a 2DP in developer or advanced Bluetooth settings. Finish by setting volumes and confirming playback. Increase Android media volume and ensure the Bluetooth device is enabled for media audio in the paired device settings. If pairing fails, reset the Beats by holding the power button about 10 seconds until the LED flashes and then retry pairing. This clears internal Bluetooth cache. If problems persist, reboot your phone, toggle Bluetooth and location, and attempt pairing again. Rebooting often resolves stuck profiles and background app conflicts that block connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.